Hello everybody, I'm Tim. We're in bear country today, going for a hike. One of my favorite things to do this time of year. I know a lot of you guys are scared right now because of all the recent media about people being attacked and killed about bears. And we're going to talk about that, but more importantly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some ideas how to survive a bear attack if you've ever get confronted by a bear. Some things we can do to totally avoid bears. So we're going to show you some tactics like bear spray and other weapons that you can use to fight off a bear if you're ever attacked by one. And you guys know I've been doing this for a long time. I've been back in these woods hiking for over 30 years, as well as being a sheriff's deputy and having encounters with bears as a deputy. And I've never seen or heard anything like this, so I got some ideas about that we'll go over. In the meantime, let's get started. Okay, let's do a quick recap. Let's have a scenario here. Say the bear's 25 yards, 30 yards out there. He's coming, just walking around, doing bear things. I'm not gonna bother him. I may start talking a little bit louder so he can know that I'm over here. In my experience, at that point, he's gone. He sees, hey, humans here, I'm out of here. But if for some weird reason he takes an interest to me, he starts walking this way, at 25 yards, I'm a little concerned. I'll start backing up. If he still continues, I'm gonna have to stand my ground at this point. 25 yards isn't that far away. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get out my bear spray. I'm gonna kick this safety off. I'm gonna extend it out. Hey bear, go away. Go away, bear. I'm gonna keep my hands up. I'm gonna make myself as big as possible, and I'm gonna command him to go away from me. If he continues to walk towards me, I'm gonna take a look around, see what my backdrop is, my surrounding. I'm gonna talk to him. Hey bear, go away. Now if he continues, I got this out here. If he gets any closer than 25 feet, I'm gonna go ahead and arm myself for my own personal safety. And I'm gonna continue talking to him. Hey bear, go away bear, go away. Now he's at 25 to 20 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and start blasting bear spray at him at that point to get him to go away. Go away bear, go away. And I'm gonna keep those 4 to 5 second blasts going at him. If he runs off, we're done. I'm gonna go the opposite way. If he continues to charge at me, at that point, I'm gonna have to protect myself. But that's gonna be the only time that I'm gonna choose in this situation to use a firearm. If this failed, he's not paying attention to it, he's still coming at me, there's probably something wrong with him at that point, so that's gonna be the only time I'll get to that level.